Okay, now we have studied all about the mirrors, formation of images by the mirrors, and very important mirror formula with respect to sign conventions of the mirrors. Now, how to solve the numericals related to mirrors? This is also a very important section of this topic light. Suppose that here you have to write an example here. A concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. A concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter forms a real image at a distance of 40 centimeter. Real image distance V 40 centimeter. Find the position of object. Position of object means you have to find U. Which one mirror is here? Concave mirror. As per the sign conventions, we know focal length of concave mirror is negative. Signs you have to put on the given value as per the sign convention, then only you will get the right answer. And similarly, V image, because it is clear you are getting real image means in front of mirror. If there is not written or they are not asking about the virtual, if the case was of the virtual, then definitely we should be positive, but question is clear, real image, then we will be negative. Now you have to find what? Position of object. Okay, as we know, you have given F and V. So keep in mind, in case of mirror formula, if U and V is given, then you can find F. If U and F is given, then you can find V. If V and F is given, then you can find U. That is the use of mirror formula. So here we will make the use of mirror formula. As we know, 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F. Clear? Dear students, please don't forget to write the formula. Whatever formula you have to make the use, or sometime we have to shuffle the terms in given formula which we have to find, or according to the condition situation which we have to find, but you have to write the formula in your solution definitely. Then this is the formula. Okay, by putting the values here, 1 upon U, we have to find 1 upon U, we don't know the value of U, plus 1 upon V minus 1 upon 40 is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon 20. Is it clear? The term whatever or the term which we have to find, keep in one side 1 upon U is equal to minus 1 upon 20. If you will shift minus 1 upon 40, other side of the sign equal to, then it will be plus 1 upon 40. 1 upon U, you will get LCM here, 40 Then by solving, -2 plus 1 is equal to -1 upon 40. -1 upon 40 is the value of 1 upon u. Therefore, u will be is equal to minus 40 centimeter. Is it clear? Nothing we did. First of all, read the statement of question carefully. Understand the question, whatever statement they have given. That is very, very important. What is the language of question? That should be in your mind. Then, second step, write the given parameters or given terms, whatever they have given in the statement. Clear? Then, third step, you write the mirror formula or write the formula. Then, assemble the formula. You can assemble. Suppose that assembling is like this. Directly you may write is, as you have to find 1 upon u, so you may write it 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon v. Otherwise, we have done after putting the value, assembling of the terms, then solve it carefully. Clear? Okay. I am giving one question to you as the question of assignment. Just listen carefully and write. A convex mirror used on an automobile. A convex mirror used on an automobile, as we have studied in the uses of convex mirror. Automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. Radius of curvature 3 meter. If a truck is located 5 meter, from this mirror, means u is equal to 5 meter. Find the position, nature of the image. Find the position, nature of the image and its magnification. Find the position, nature of the image and its magnification. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find V. See, R is given. We know the relationship between radius of curvature and focal length. Small f is equal to R by 2. You will get small f. Then you have the value of small f and u by using this mirror formula. This is simply hint. You can find the value of V. Okay. Whenever you will find the value of V, U is already you have, then magnification here minus V upon U. You can put the values here. Clear? Okay.